俺は狐の悪魔と契約してい
Yeah, it's
る。
literally a contract with the
力を
fox
借りる
devil.
代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。
Interesting.
今回は皮膚を食わせた。痛そう。悪魔は常に人の死を望む。
Sure.
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。
Aww.
悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
男の命なんて知るかって。
Wow, 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 wow. That was pretty fucking
Oh, that's
funny.
the guy.
That was fucking hilarious.
Hilarious.
Jesus Christ.
That's the guy he threw the car
俺がも
with.
っと詳しく。
なあ、無罪だったじゃろ。
Wow.
Oh, now you can
わ
move.
かった
How
らさっ
great.
さとこれを外せ。本当にいいのかな。
Dude, I'm
こ
so
の魔人
curious
ちゃん
about
がいつか人
when
を
this
殺した時
Cutie
kills
thing
someone.
day.
逃
Oh
した
my.
扱いの責任
I mean, you're not wrong. Can't
俺
even
たちは
tell
デ
that's
ビ
a
ルハンタ
guy
ー
or
で
a
す。
woman.
悪魔でも魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵。利用するだけです。
Yeah, that's there's a deep
慣れ合うつも
moral
りはないですよ。
there's a deep moral quagmire in all of this that's really interesting. Damn fucking VCR player over there. Oh, that breeze looks tasty.
Okay. But it seems like, yeah, a majority of this now wants to spend a lot, probably most of his time on Aki as a person, his daily routine, his mindset. I remember having that toothpaste.
I brushed my teeth before
All that good
recording.
shit.
I recorded it was Thursday's Sangatsu video before this though, so I brushed my teeth before that.
A normal life of a devil hunter,
I
man.
do that sometimes before recording. It gives
We start every morning just as
Well,
anyone
extra
else
fresh
does,
feeling.
with coffee. Practice, profession, you know,
he seems like a very routine.
kind of in the job
oriented
description.
guy. Yeah, definitely.
Ooh my god, is he really eating just that again? Oh my god. Anything. You'd be down for
What the fuck?
anything.
Is this gonna be like power or something?
悪魔か
I think it's a feed. It's gotta be power. What the fuck?
Probably.
Definitely power.
Oh no. I mean, yeah, it is a devil, but... Oh
Aki, you poor asshole.
早川
Oh
くん
my
ちの
god,
パ
this
ワ
パワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪
He'll
にな
make a
る
good leash for the two
なん
of
で
them.
俺の家にやばいやつばかり集めるんですか
Seriously,
私
seriously.
が早川くんを一番に信用しているからだよ。
They're your
I
problem
think it's a
now.
combination of her trusting you. Yeah,
They
she's
solve that
manipulating
goddamn
you.
sibling
God
relationship.
damn it.
Let's say sibling, what the fuck?
そう、
Fucking hell.
心配しなくても
I
パワ
can't
ーちゃん。
decide if I'm falling in love with Makima or I fucking hate her. I don't know. Like,
野菜は嫌いじゃん。おい。
what the
Yeah.
fuck, power?
It doesn't contain blood. What is this bullshit?
Yeah, just give it to
作
them.
った農家に失礼って思わ
It
ねえの
needs to
か
be
よ
blood soup.
悪魔
I like the shirt, by the
トイレ
way.
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
Oh my
Bro.
god.
せえんだよ
Bro.
風呂はたまにしか入らんは
Bro.
入れ
She's lived in the
Bro.
wild for quite some
じゃ。
time.
なら
And of course, the
人間は
kitty.
繊細じゃのう。
What the fuck?
にゃーこ
I mean, to be fair, I kind of get the shower thing because
I mean, at least
she was
Aki and
kind of-
Denji are finally,
she clearly
you know,
grow
agreeing,
up
seeing some common
very
ground.
dirty
The
'cause
powers
she
of
was out in the
fucking
wilderness
troll
all
has
the
never
time. We
been
saw
one.
that in the flashbacks with Meow
来
H.
て暴れ回りやがってな
Seriously.
もう流せねえのか悪魔は野菜も残すし
おい
Well, I mean, she's a blood demon. She doesn't
お
really
い
need
クソ
to.
悪魔
Shit,
て
devil.
めえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ
Oh shit.
Oh.
あ
Oh. You
約
still...
束だったじゃろ。胸
You
を
still
揉ませ
haven't
てや
Yeah,
る。
the
she,
chest.
she seemed
ごめ
like.
ん。
Oh man. Oh man.
And
that
suddenly the
jiggle
toy-
was beautiful.
Oh, why is that it?
Bro, we are not doing this in the fucking toilet.
Whoa.
Bro, what the fuck? That makes it
This
so much
fucking
weirder.
music as well. Dude,
she just clearly has some very nice titties. Bro's literally gonna cry.
this music.
Oh my god.
3 squeezes of my voice.
Each breast? Each
3?
breast
I mean, he
total.
did kill the devil as well.
そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3もみじゃ。胸を揉んで
It's funny, she is blushing a bit herself.
うぬの頑張りに報いての3もみ。
Of course.
ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Oh my god, oh my god! Dude, she looks like such
The
a...
man's having a hard time processing what is actually happening right now.